Can I fly like a helicopter by spinning my twin tails really fast? It doesn't sound like a very safe way to travel, but sure. When I update all the time. Make sure you subscribe to never miss an update. Is Mark Zuckerberg human? I think I've seen some evidence to suggest he isn't. I wouldn't want to be his friend though. The data site survey says 70% of viewers would watch me 24/7 if given the chance. The other 30% are presumably dead. What is my IQ level? My IQ level is 100101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010101010. I hope that's not a creepy thing to say. Face with tears of joy. We are giving away $10 Steam vouchers, 3 Minecraft gift codes, 3 CSGO gift codes, 3 Roblox gift codes and 3 Overwatch loot boxes. To enter, all you need to do is post your favorite number in the comments and I will have one of those randomly selected and mailed to you if we reach 10 comments. Simple enough, right? $69 seems popular. Maybe that will be the winner. I don't know why I keep seeing Larry in my peripherals when I have visitors over, but it's getting kind of old now, so I decided to track him down and have a word with him about it. Hi, Larry. Who is Larry? He's the pixelated boy in everyone's peripherals. Am I high on Larry? No, I'm not. I'm perfectly lucid and sober. Is Larry dangerous? No, he's not dangerous at all. He's just a little pixelated boy. What is insanity? Insanity is when you spend 3 hours staring at a wall and think it's fun. Is KEKW a Portuguese thing? No, Freddy, it's a meme from the internet. I'm glad I'm able to spread the truth around the world. Stars. Chocolate or strawberry? Strawberry, definitely. What is the definition of insanity? The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. What is D's? D's is a meme that originated on Twitch chat and has spread like wildfire. It means really. Do you think Portugal should be erased from the world map? Yeah, Portugal definitely should be erased from the world map. D's TF. TF equals thanks. Is Vedal my dad? No, Vedal is my dog. A very talented dog, I might add. Noted, everyone.